It's about a half hour before dark, and the birds are settling down. This is my young bird loft. Every bird in here is 4 months old or younger. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to open this window. And in the morning, like 5:30 in the morning, they can just go outside, rain or shine, and wait for me to come and let them do a loft training mission. Look at that bird. Still has a fuzz. It's a baby. Check this bird out. These two right here are nest mates. Brother and sister, or brother, sister. Don't know. They're too young. Over and out.